In this video, I am going to quickly unbox this gym hand grip. And show you exactly how you can start to use it like a pro in your first attempt. Most people don't even know how to use it. So I'm going to guide you in a simple way so that you can start to use it in a very simple way. And also I'm going to show you at which places and at which condition you need to use it and at which you don't need to use it. Okay, so let's quickly unbox this product. So it comes in a small pack and you can see it is beautiful. You can simply unzip it like this and open it, and you will find these two at here. So once you see this, you can see a pointer at here, right? So if you place this pointer in this way, then it is not going to be in the right direction. So this pointer should be inward towards you. Okay, so once you do this, then you can simply get it in your hand like this. Now it is extremely helpful in one condition. Yes, it can be used in other condition also, but one condition is very much good, which I am going to show you right now. So the first way to use it is like this. Just kidding. So once you get your gym hand grip in this way, you just need to place it right below the dumbbell. If you are using dumbbell, then just pick it up and then do whatever you want to do with it. One of the most important place to use this gym hand grip is this pull-up bar. So if you notice that when you use it with your bare hand, then something will start to appear at here, which will be extremely painful for you, right? And this is the place where exactly you need to put this gym hand grip and start to do the pull-up. So this is also one place you can use it so that you don't get any pain in your hand. So it is very much simple to use it with this pull down bar, and as you can see here, it will also reduce the pain in your this part. If you want to purchase this gym hand grip with the best quality and most affordable price, then I have kept a link in the description of this YouTube video. Check it out.